Don't believe the influencer or the YouTuber who says price action is terrible and I can't trade. Every single day, the market gives you 2 to 3 good setups per day if you're trained and if you're skilled and if you practice. We have Eric from SPY Day Trading as our teacher, mentor. He is a Wall Street market wizard, the best in the business. You will not find anybody that comes close to the knowledge, the skills, the size that Eric has. Even on days like today, for the past 2 hours, price has been ranging within between the two moving averages in a 1.5 point chop on SPY, the S&P 500. The morning had a great run up. He identified the algorithms and the precision buying algorithm. So we were able to find a good long entry in the first part of the AM session. Now for the past 2 hours, price has just been range bound, chopping sideways, consolidation, waiting for the big boys to make their next move. A lot of YouTubers or influencers will say this is crappy price action. What we see, what we're trained and what you will be trained is to see these as opportunities. While price is ranging, what's happening here is liquidity is being built. The big boys are basically taking all the suckers' bets. Some people are betting it's going to go short. Some people are betting it's going to go long. The way to profit at a time like this, when you learn all the strategies that options provides, when price is in a sideways range or a chop and there's not a lot of volatility, this is when you learn how to take debit spreads and credit spreads. You learn how to sell puts and you learn how to sell calls. This strategy you learn to be able to implement exactly on times like this. You can make money when the market is moving sideways. It doesn't have to go up or it doesn't have to go down. When you learn credit spreads, debit spreads, selling puts and selling calls, you will profit when price stays within a range and doesn't go outside of the levels. So I encourage you to study, practice, execute, and continue to study and practice and execute. You have to learn from the right person. Learn from a Wall Street market wizard, not some YouTuber or influencer.